Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, this comment: hello, please assist of finding replacement of GP4062D. Let's check it. Go to alltransistor.com and search here GP4062D. Here we have 4062D with different numbers, IRGP and AU IRGP. So we can select any one number. It is IGBT N channel. Maximum power rating 250 watt, 600 volt, and we can find data sheet here. It have a protection diode inside, and we can find the equivalent. When we find equivalent, first of all it will go parametric search. It is 48 ampere, 600 volt, and here we find its equivalents. Its collector to emitter saturation volts 1.95. So we have to check 1.95 are less than 1.95 are equal. So these are equivalent numbers: 40B60, 50B60, 60B60. These all numbers are equivalent. If any transistor, any IGBT, it have a more saturation voltage, that will dissipate more power. We can select any one number, 30 and 100. It is 1000 volt. That's good. So in this way you can find the alternate, and here we have a complete list. You can find in this way the exact equivalent. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.